think the standout moments for me have been gaining the trust from everyone and meeting new people, and as well today, like making new memories.
The standout moments for me have been meeting everyone, and also today, that moment me, Josh and Freddie had in the water, that was pretty nice.
The standout moment for me is definitely the waterfall. I mean, like jumping off at that height definitely really got the adrenaline going. You could tell, you know, helping your friends get up the waterfall. Yeah, that was really fun.
The two standout moments for me is the trust building, where I had my eyes closed and I ran, and it was fun. Yeah. And the second would probably be today, with being surrounded by the water and nature. It's been nice.